Number 12. Case material stainless steel, case diameter 44 mm, case thickness 11 mm, band material leather, band length men's standard, band width 21 mm, atom weight 3.6 ounces, movement Swiss port, water resistant to 330 feet. Number 11. Aluminum material type anti-reflective sapphire, display type analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 45 mm, case thickness 14.4 mm, band material rubber, atom weight 1.5 pound, movement sweet spots, water resistant to 660 feet. Number 10. Ideal for everyday wear, designed to handle dives as well as daily activities, offers comfortable wear on your wrist, analog quartz movement, water resistant depth 200 meters, military time. Number 9. Analog quartz movement, black rubber strap, buckle clasp, stainless steel bezel and case, sapphire crystal. Number 8. Leather with a fine grain texture, Swiss made watch with a date calendar, analog quartz movement, case diameter 42 mm, scratch resistant. Number 7. Swiss made case diameter 45 mm, titanium watch, black dial and black rubber strap with black Swiss quartz movement. Water resistant to 200 meters. A certified diving watch. Number 6. Night vision black ice, dark grey dial bracelet black ice, stainless steel with triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, Swiss quartz movement, case diameter 42 mm, water resistant to 50 meters, suitable for short periods of recreational swimming. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous dial. Number 5. Round watch featuring red enamel top ring, white dial with date window, case diameter 43 mm, Swiss quartz movement with analog display, woven nylon band. Number 4. Water resistant depth 200 meters, case diameter 43 mm, military time, date end of life indicator, scratch resistant, triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, skewed on ground removable black protection bumper, excludes battery life. Number 3. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands, silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band, quartz movement, water resistant depth 100 meters, unique directional rotating bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case bag, tank cloth. Number 2. Black tile enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Parts movement, water resistant, depth 100 meters. Fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case bag, fold over cloth with push button. Case diameter 42 millimeters. Item weight 5.43 ounces. Number 1. Delvinometer type anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Display type analog. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 28 millimeters. Band material stainless steel. Band color silver. Dial color white. Movement fits quartz. Water resistant, depth 100 meters.